Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to share YouTube video on TikTok. So the easiest method is to share the YouTube link through your TikTok profile or send it to someone in a TikTok message. So to start, open your browser and go to youtube.com and sign into your YouTube account. Next, find the video you want to share. So tap the video. Next, scroll down a bit and tap the share button right here. Next, so in the section, you can look for TikTok app or logo, then click on it and follow the instructions. Now, if you can't find the TikTok logo, what you can do is to click copy right here to copy the link. Next, open another tab and go to tiktok.com. So search for TikTok and open it. Make sure it's the official website. Then sign in to your TikTok account. So to sign in, you can use QR code, you can use phone or email, continue with Facebook, you can continue with Google, etc. So let's click QR code and I'm just going to scan this QR right here. Then confirm if it's you on your mobile. So you can verify through phone or email. So let's click email. So enter the code sent to your email and click next.
Quick one. If you're finding this tutorial helpful, my team and I publish simply and easy to understand step-by-step tutorial daily. And I'd really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button to support our channel and of course so that you'll never miss out when we release videos just like this one every single day. Now let's continue.
Now, once you're logged in, so you can go to your profile, click view profile. So if your account has a website field, paste the YouTube link there and save your changes. So your YouTube link will then be accessible from your TikTok profile. Next, you can go to your messages on the left side. So click messages, open the message chat, paste the link right here, and click send to send the YouTube link. Now, another thing you can do is you can download or use the video and upload it to TikTok. So while making sure you have permission to use the content. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.